Hello everybody, I am Vijay Lashkar. Welcome to my channel Grammar World. Today I'm going to discuss and analyze Unakoti Clark-Gate question paper that was held on January 24th, 2021, and to compare this question paper with the previous years and also to put light on cat in the sack, ঝোলার ভিতরে বিড়াল. It will also be hinted at. Okay, first of all I am going to tell about the question papers. What kind of question paper? Is it easy or hard? This is the natural question that arises in the mind of the candidates who face the examinations and also the ones who are related to the candidates, maybe family members or teachers or whoever. But the question arises whether the question paper is easy or hard. I must tell this question paper, not overall, the part of the question paper. Some parts of the question paper are really standard and praiseworthy. Question paper should be like this, but not the whole part. And in order to get into it, first of all, let us see the advertisement. Wow! In advertisement, I shall show you a funny thing. That means you prepared for finding out common errors, and in their advertisement itself you will see common errors. Okay, now let us see first of all their syllabus, that is the syllabus given in the advertisement. English syllabus. This part of this written paper will be set to test the candidates proficiency in the language. Okay, fine, proficiency in the language. It may be include, haha, what type of English is it? It may be include, actually the word be, it is superfluous, means অতিরিক্ত. be তো দরকারই ছিল না. It may include, okay, overlook it. It may include translation from Bengali into English. Wow. Narration, reciting, etc. Okay, the modal may means here শুভঙ্করের বাকি. What a goal means আসতেও পারে নাও আসতে পারে. এই চালাকিটাই যারা এখানে করেছে, you see, using the word may. Anyway, may means what? There is a possibility. What type of possibility this modal indicates? It is strong possibility, and for weak possibility we use the modal might. Here they did not use the word might, they used may, means strong possibility. So A to Z, all the candidates thought that there would be questions descriptive type on TC writing or essay writing or letter writing, and there might be questions on translation Bengali to English, but nothing was given. Can we blame them? I mean to say the question makers. Okay, now let us see the pattern. Remember, in order to sit for an examination, the candidates always follow the previous year's papers. In the previous year's questions, we notice and see, I just put you one record based report. In 2016 clerical exam conducted by West District. Article and preposition 5 questions, error correction 5 questions, idiom 5 questions, translation 5 questions, narration 5 questions, voice change 5 questions. Now you see narration 5, voice change 5, there is 10, common error 5, there is 15, article and preposition then 5. In total 20 questions. These 20 questions, see 20 marks means 20 questions have become volatile. It is absent in this new question paper, 2021 question paper. Not only that, no comprehension test, nothing is there. In 2017 family code exam, 5 narration, 5 voice change, correction 10 and translation 5. Like that question paper was set. Again, let us go forward. From that only one thing is clear, that they did not follow the pattern of questions. English is totally a hodgepodge. But the way the question paper has been made, particularly the grammar part, it is not all bad. But the pattern of question paper is not satisfactory. And all the candidates, they did not expect this one. Now come to mathematics. Mathematics is quite nice. 25 questions, 25 marks, MCQ type. But the question arises, in the previous year, descriptive type of answers were there. That's why the candidates had to prepare in such a way that they could present the questions in descriptive mode in order to avoid loss of mark. And in 2016 examination, many candidates, deserving candidates, they could not qualify the test only for giving short answer, one word answer, or only just giving the answer word, because they did not solve the questions, mathematical questions in full form. Giving all the steps, they did not write down the answer. That's why they lost the mark. And this year, what a fun! All the questions are objective type. Anyway, it can also be appreciated, mathematics part of the question paper. And GK part, it is, I must say, it is above par the state civil service examination. Questions are quite tough, and the question maker has liberty to do so, so we have no word to blame them for that. And regarding flawlessness of the question paper, means avoiding mistakes in the question paper. What a fun! In mathematics, the first question itself is wrong. You can understand the mental condition of the student who would try again and again to solve the question. The first one, the very first one is erroneous question. How is it possible? Let me remind you how it is wrong. Look here, and it is based on your entire method, and the correct answer will be 120, but there is no option as 120. That's why it is wrong answer, and every student will have to try to get the answer. There is from one of the options 2 or 3 times. Okay, this one is wrong, we got. And some tricky questions are there, and tricky questions are always welcome. I don't blame for that. Another thing is that space for rough work. See, I like to jump, that is do step jump while doing mathematics, because I know a little maths. And in order to solve the questions, I needed one page. I can show you here. You see in front of the camera the page. Look here. And in my flip book also I gave it. See, yes, now it is this page. And another page also I am showing you. Okay, see this one. This one. I showed you two pages. And in these two pages I did what? I did mathematics rough work. If I need two pages full for rough work, then how can the students just do in a very much little space given in the question paper? This space for rough work is quite inadequate. They were not given any loose sheet. Anyway, this is a problem for all the candidates, not a singleton. That's why I have no word to say for this one. Another thing is that English erroneous question. Question number 21. Question number 21, fill in the blanks type question paper. And they wrote here, actually it is the wrong answer. The correct answer will be by, and it has already been given in the question. And one unnecessary gap has been put. And it is sufficient to, that is, make the question, make the candidates perplexed, confused. And such kind of question paper should not be made. And in my view, what kind of expert made the question paper? It also errors doubt. Another thing, marks. Total marks for this question paper, you know it very well. It is 85 marks. And time given 3 hours. All the questions except 5 questions MCQ type. What a farce. What will the student do for long 3 hours? For mathematics parts, a little time is needed, but not for GK. So, in my view, this length of time is quite useless. And it was given in the advertisement that for 85 marks test, 3 hours will be allotted. Then what does it mean? This question paper will be of descriptive type, but in order to clear up the dust from their code, they gave only 5 questions on descriptive basis, particularly the GK part, and all MCQ. Then it is nothing but a goal setting. Mindset of the students was of one type, and goal setting of the question maker is of another. I don't know what the question maker wanted to prove by putting the candidates into trouble. Anyway, my words might be bitter. Exam is exam. I must tell the candidates, don't believe me in advertisement. You just keep in mind the subject. English grammar is given. So you just work on grammar. And it should be very much hard work. So that the way, any way they just make the question paper, you can answer to it. An overall analysis of the question paper, including solution, was posted in my flip book, and it is available in my Facebook. And regarding cutoff mark, highest mark, I gave it. See, cutoff mark, in my view, for general it will be 40 marks, SC 35 marks, ST 28 marks, and the highest marks is expected to be 64. And see, I segregated the marks like that. The highest scorer, English 19, that is he will lose 11 marks in English, mathematics 23, GK 22, and if we sum up, we have 64 marks. This is the highest rankers mark. And I told you about the cut-off mark. Now the candidates, some words for you who gave the exam and you are sure of securing 40 or 39 marks. I must tell you, don't lose hope. Anything may happen and you keep preparing for your type test. In the type test, see if you secure good marks. Then one of the posts may be yours. That's why don't lose hope. Actually, I know this exam put so much stress on your nerves and forget the written test. Get it erased from your mind and try hard and afresh for your type test. Okay, now the next video will be my next video will one JRB. Okay, now share this video. Okay, thank you.